Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Siti Rayya. I'm from International Relations University of Riau. In this video, I want to explain about colons. What is colons? Colons is a punctuation mark that is represented by two dots of the same size either placed either on top of the other or in the middle of the same vertical line. A colon is used at the end of the complete statement, which is followed by a detail of explanation. A colon is not used if detail of explanations is a complement that ends the statement. Colons are used after words or expressions that require description. Colons are used in the drama script after the words which denotes the actor in conversation. Well, here's my explanations about colons. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.